Welcome to Trina's Motivation, guys. Today I'm going to show you how I made this awesome chicken Alfredo with leftover chicken. Yes, you heard me correctly. Let's get straight into today's video. So for today's recipe, first of all, we want our pasta and we're going to place it into the boiling water right over here. Don't really want a whole lot. We're gonna just do that. I'm not gonna use all of it. You want to make sure I add what I add to this was salt, and I also add a little oil to it so that it doesn't stick together. So I have some leftover chicken. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to dice these, take out the bone, debone them. I'm going to make us the Alfredo sauce, and this is what we're using today. This one. I'm not sure how it tastes, but I'll tell you in the end. I like putting a little like sweet pepper, you know, so I'm going to have two, just give it a little color. And I also will use some onion to make the sauce. So stay tuned. Alright, so we're going to saute, and here is the frying pan, so we're going to put everything in here. So we're going to allow this to saute, then we add our chicken to it, and then our sauce. Alright. I totally forget my garlic, so I went in with some garlic as well. I just added some garlic. It's gonna saute until they are soft. Alright. But remember, all of this, when you're eating, you just want to just enjoy everything. Keep stirring because you don't want it to be burnt. So this is my way. Alright. These are optional, to be honest. Here, if you had chicken broth, you could actually use the chicken broth. You could have cream, heavy cream, whatever you have, whatever sauce you have, you could actually use it. So I'm gonna go in with my chicken. So here we went in with our chicken. I'm just gonna stir it a bit until it's warm, because remember the chicken is already cooked. Alright. Alright, so let's see what it's looking like now. Voila! So remember, guys, you're just putting it so it could warm, not really to, because it's already cooked. And I like to add a little. At this stage now, you can go in with your Alfredo sauce. So there's mine. It's gonna go all in. Right? You can go all in. And remember to always taste. You want to taste to make sure it's what you want it to be like, right? Oh my gosh, guys, seems like I just want this by itself. I don't want no pasta in it. Oh my god, this looks delicious. So you can add any additional sauce or seasoning, or possibly seasoning that you may want in it. But I don't think mine is going to need any. But I'm going to taste it nonetheless to see what it may need, anything else. But look at this, guys. I know you want some. I know. Just wait. Just another 10 minutes. Oh my goodness. Oh. So you can just pour like all of it in it, depending on the amount you're going to be using. Alright. So after about 5 minutes, let's see what's happening here. Voila! Listen me, man. Listen me, listen me, listen me. See there? Listen me. Oh my god. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Perfect. Perfect. And you know you want to make sure a lot of sauce in there. You know I had a little piece of bone in there. I'm not going to give that to anybody except myself. I just want to take the flavor in it. Ooh, so the only thing we need to add now is our pasta. So let's go in with our pasta. I'm gonna go in with the pasta now. So each time you go in, you want to be stirring, right? Because we want everything to get everything. You're not going to leave this in for long, you know, because you don't want this sauce, all the sauce to be finished, right? So that's where we want to be going with all of that goodness. Every bite is chicken. Look at that. Chicken, chicken, chicken. I'm going to enjoy this. So guys, let's plate up some food. We're gonna dive into this. Remember, you can go in with your heavy cream, you can go with your chicken broth, whatever you want to do. Make it your own, guys. I'm going to enjoy this meal. You can go ahead, give me a thumbs up if you thought I did a good job or just an okay job. Let me know in the comments. See you in the next one. Bye.